If your Gmail notifications are not working, don't worry, because in this video I'll show you exactly how to fix it step by step. This is a really common issue, and it usually comes down to a simple settings problem in Gmail, your browser, or your computer notifications. By the end of this tutorial, you should have Gmail alerts working again so you never miss an important email. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open your browser and go to mail.google.com. Make sure you're signed into the Gmail account that's having the notification issue. Once Gmail loads, look to the top right corner and click the settings gear icon. From there, click see all settings. This will open the full Gmail settings menu where you can adjust notification options. Now stay on the general tab and scroll down until you find the desktop notifications section. Here, you'll want to make sure new mail notifications is turned on. If notifications were turned off, switch them back on right away. This setting controls whether Gmail can alert you when new messages arrive. After turning it on, scroll all the way to the bottom of the page and click Save Changes. This part is important because if you don't save, the setting won't actually apply. Next, we need to make sure your browser is allowing Gmail notifications too. While you're still on Gmail, look at the address bar near the Gmail URL. You should see a lock icon or a small settings icon next to the website address. Click that icon, then look for notifications in the site permissions list. If it says block, change it to allow. This tells your browser that Gmail is allowed to send pop-up alerts and desktop notifications. If you use Chrome, Edge, or another browser, this step is often the reason Gmail notifications stop working, even when Gmail itself is set correctly. Now let's check your computer notification settings as well, because your device may be blocking alerts at the system level. If you're on Windows, open Settings, then go to System and then click Notifications. Make sure notifications are turned on for your device. If they're off, Gmail alerts won't show up no matter what settings you change in the browser. Also check that your browser itself is allowed to send notifications through Windows. If you're on a Mac, go into System Settings, then Notifications, and make sure your browser is permitted to send alerts. It's a good idea to verify that Focus Mode, Do Not Disturb, or any silent notification setting is not enabled, because that can also hide your Gmail pop-ups. After checking those settings, go back to Gmail and refresh the page. Then send yourself a test email or ask someone to email you so you can confirm the notifications are working again. If you now see alerts on your desktop or in your browser, then the issue is fixed. If it still isn't working, go back and double check each step carefully because one block permission is usually all it takes to stop Gmail notifications. And that's it. You've now gone through the main fixes for Gmail notifications not working, including Gmail settings, browser permissions, and system notifications. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want help with another Gmail or email issue. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.